have here is a Takeuchi TB 260. This is currently for sale. As you can see, it's very clean. Less than 300 hours on it. It's very clean, like new condition. Switch blade. Got a hydraulic thumb. Bucket in really good shape. It's plumbed for additional attachments. We also have other machines available that I will be posting videos shortly. The interior, excellent condition. As you can see, plastic's still on the seat. All controls. It's very clean. Please visit usearthmoving.com to see all our equipment that's available. Thank you.